All right, the Green Miata is officially done with stripping down rear subframe, front subframe, whole, old motor, new motor.
This should do the job just fine. The exhaust port and get a nice clean port on there.
So there's the new rotors. Rebuilt rotors right there. Sorry, this engine's kind of hard to turn, but there's one of them, and you can hear the compression. I'm so excited. Woo! Rebuilt the rotary. Hey! This is gonna be fucking sick. I'm fucking pumped. Fucking pumped, dude. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the engine turning over. Okay, coils are all wired up. They've got power. Wiring harness comes down here, goes around the starter. And then I've got the fuel pump wired in right now, where all I've got to do is touch it to a battery. Here's the starter, so that's how I'll start the engine. And then I've got to get power to the coils, the ECU, and the injectors. And then that'll be it. So we're getting really close. Got the throttle position sensor wired up today. Had to find some things online for that. The fuel pump, had to find some documentation for that. Starting to get my ground sorted out, but yeah, she's coming along. It runs!